Hey everyone, it's Michael and I'm doing another video on language learning today. I am in Nashville, Tennessee. As you can see, I have the Parthenon, one of my favorite buildings ever. I didn't even know it existed. It's amazing. And I'm hoping it's a little inspiration as we're gonna talk about something today that is very important. And it is how to be unafraid when speaking with native speakers, with other people that are speaking the language that you want to learn. So I find that this is a very big problem because a lot of people don't practice with native speakers or with other people that know the language because they're afraid. And it's totally understandable. You might feel vulnerable. You might feel like you're a toddler, like a baby, because you can't do basic communication. And it really hinders and stops your language learning flow. Because as I say in other videos, your speaking should be 90 to 80% of your current programming of what you're doing every week. 10 to 20% should be books, radio, television, Duolingo. So if we're not doing that 80 to 90% because we're afraid, then we're never gonna learn the language. So you're looking at this video and you're thinking, okay, how do I become unafraid? And the most important thing you can do is to not care what other people think. Because I could tell you in this video, don't worry, no one's gonna laugh at you, but that's not true. That's like me telling you to go out into the world and that nothing bad will happen. Maybe something will, maybe it won't, but it's up to you to decide, and how you're gonna react to it is the most important thing. If you've ever studied Stoic philosophy, it's like that, just having equanimity and not caring. So, you know, a funny story that happened to me in Belgium, when I was learning French. I've had a lot of stories about that, but one of them is tout vite. I was told, like, do you want it to take it to like fast and eat it and go? And I was like, yeah, sure, but I didn't know exactly what it meant. So when I was in one of the restaurants, they didn't ask me, but I was like, tout vite, and I was like almost screaming at them. My friends were like laughing. I was like, why are they laughing? I'm just saying to go. And they're like, no, you're telling them to go faster and faster. And he just kept making it faster. And at that point I could have been like, that's kind of embarrassing. I don't want to do it anymore, because they're laughing at me, but they're also laughing with me. And it's important to see what the situation is for itself and to be like, that was kind of a funny mistake. And I talked to the guy afterwards. He's like, no, totally got it. So if you're thinking, hey, I want to speak to language, other native speakers, and I'm afraid, don't worry. Validation comes from inside. Do not let anyone else get your confidence down. The people that are gonna really try to make fun of you for speaking another language are people that are insecure, that are not learning other languages themselves, that feel like they're superior, and it's just the wrong way to go. I mean, I speak various languages and I would never laugh at someone that's trying their hardest to speak another language. I never laugh at someone that's in the gym trying their hardest. And, you know, I don't know anyone else that speaks various languages do that, because we're all in it together and we're all like, we know what you're going through. So just so you know, you got this. Let me know if you have any more questions. I'm gonna enjoy the Parthenon now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.